I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, titled India That is Bharat. It looks at the ongoing state elections as a critical test of unity between the Congress and its allies in the India coalition and whether the opposition combined can take on the might of the BJP in the elections 2024. Cast Iron by Shreya Basak of Outlook in a ground report from Rajasthan. Rajasthan's electoral discourse has always been about the twin phenomena of caste and community politics. This election is no different. Kenku, 50, hurries back to her hut after drawing about 8 buckets of water. While she was drawing the precious liquid from the depths of the heated bowels of Rajasthan's dry earth, 6 other women had kept her company, vigorously drawing their own share of water. Kenku rushes back to apply ointment over the burned skin of her neighbor's son. The little boy, who constantly cries in pain, has sustained severe burns after a pot of boiling milk fell on his right leg. His mother is probably kilometers away, working at a construction site. Medical facilities are scarce, which has worsened the wound. Water is scarce too, forcing Kenku to ration the quantity of water she can use to regularly clean the wound. In Ramdev Nagar village in western Barmer, water is a precious commodity, carefully utilized for drinking, cooking, and feeding cattle, but seldom for cleaning and washing. In the Shio constituency's Thar Desert pocket, Ramdev Nagar, located in Rohidala Gram Panchayat, showcases the severe water crisis afflicting Rajasthan's more densely populated pockets. Desperate cries for water begin before the break of dawn and continue till noon. Groups of women in and around villages to date walk for hours to fetch water. The Bedis, the borewell, built by the government, dry up in summer. The tanks, constructed for holding rainwater, are often caked with silt deposits, which make water unpalatable in the hot season when the tank runs shallow. The big tanks, built at a few kilometers distance, often run dry as authorities fail to replenish them. Reverse osmosis machines with instructive government slogans on the importance of water lie locked up in a state of disuse. Walking to the neighboring village for water, dominated by upper castes, poses another set of caste-oriented challenges. Since 1952, multiple elections have been fought, but our only demand remains safe, clean and regular drinking water, says Hiralal, a local villager and principal of a government senior secondary school in the Gangaria block. There are toilets built in almost every hut, but one may spot men and women walking distances to defecate. What use are any of these latrines without water? Asks Kenku. Water is primary to any development and its scarcity hampers various human needs and rights. Reports indicate worsening safe drinking water availability due to climate change, disproportionately affecting women and children. Rajasthan, constituting 5.5% of India's population, has only 1.1% of the country's water resources. Government data from the summer of 2022 reveals that out of 285 blocks, 203 were over-exploiting groundwater, highlighting the critical water situation in the state. For 72 years, elections in Rajasthan have been fought on 3 issues: water, electricity and roads. Yet, it has been only a few years since electricity reached a few villages here. Not much luck with water, continues Hiralal. During every election, tall claims promising Har Ghar Pani, water in every home, take center stage, with every successive government committing to it. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.